How to use H&M Pay Later in store. Using H&M's Pay Later option in store involves a few steps, which can vary slightly depending on the specific policy and technologies in place at the time. Here is a general guide to help you through the process. Number 1. Sign up for the service. Make sure you have an H&M account and are enrolled in their Pay Later program. This may involve signing up through the H&M app or website, possibly in partnership with a third-party service like Klarna or Afterpay. Number 2. Get approved. Ensure that you are approved for the Pay Later service. Approval may involve a soft credit check and evaluation of your financial situation. Number 3. Shopping in store. Go to an H&M store and select the items you wish to purchase. Number 4. At checkout, inform the cashier that you want to use the Pay Later option. Depending on the store setup, you might need to present a QR code, show a digital card, or use a mobile app. Open the H&M app or the app of the partnered Pay Later service like Klarna or Afterpay on your smartphone. Navigate to the Pay Later section within the app. Number 5. Payment confirmation. Follow the instructions in the app to generate to payment authorization or QR code. Show this code to the cashier to scan or enter a provided code manually into the point of sale system. Number 6. Complete the purchase. Once the payment method is authorized, the purchase will be complete and you will receive a confirmation of the transaction both from H&M and the Pay Later service. Number 7. Repayment. After the purchase, you will need to follow the repayment schedule as set by the Pay Later service. This typically involves making payments in installments over a specified period. Number 8. Monitor your payments. Keep track of your payments through the app or online account to avoid any late fees or penalties. If you run into any issues or have specific questions, it's a good idea to ask an H&M store associate for help or consult the customer service of the Pay Later service you are using.